To make sure you're caught up on all of my videos, go down, click that subscribe button, that bell icon, so you'll get notified whenever one of my vlogs comes out. And now enjoy today's episode of your favorite homie, King Pat. What's goody, ladies and gents? It's your boy King Pat coming back with another video for y'all today. And it's Winter Storm Day today, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting a Winter Storm Harper is coming through today. And look who we have here. What are you doing under this blanket? You like that blanket? Anyways, guys, the snow has started. I don't know if you guys can see, but the snow has started, which means Winter Storm Harper is beginning. So we're gonna get some big snowfall out of this. So anyway, keep you updated as the storm progresses, and if there's any big time snow coming down, I will show you. All right, guys, I put the trusty yardstick in just a couple minutes after the last clip. It says there's 1 inch right there, so we're gonna put it like right there. Then so whenever we get and the snow gets up to here, we'll just go ahead and take like a inch off or so, like 7/4 of an inch off. But anyways, guys, leaving that right there for all night, so it's gonna be a big one. Guys, look at this, my homemade ice skating rink. Watch this. I'm sliding it farther. Yes. No way. Oh, what a storm! This is gonna be an epic storm that's gonna come through, guys. I mean, man, my ice skating rink's going farther than ever. So, anyways, guys, still around my house again. I mean, nothing else to it. Just gotta wait out the storm and go from there. All right, guys, coming back with another vlog update. As you can see, it's snowing pretty hard now. Up to 4 inches of snow right now. It's gonna be probably up by probably up at like 10 tonight. It's supposed to accumulate as hours pass, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna be driving around, look at the roads, and I'll let you know what they look like after. Then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so update on the roads. Took a drive around, and they aren't great. They are not great. I mean, this car, the Beast took it well. The roads did not take it well. But anyways, guys, I'm going to be in here for the rest of the night because I'm not going out there again. But it's beautiful out there. But it's just not great. It's definitely not a great weather scenario right now. I mean, we're supposed to get like 10 inches by tomorrow morning. And we already have like 4 inches on the ground right now. So, anyways, guys, I'll let you know if anything else comes up later. All right, guys, come back with the vlog. It's snowing again. And watch this. I missed. Oh, got him in the head. Trying to hold the camera and nope. Got him. I have like 18 hits so far on you right now. Close. Alrighty. So close. Time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, here we go. He's coming back. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! What a go! What a dodge! Not for long though. Not for long though. Not for long though. Snowball fight, snowball fight. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, come back another vlog update. It's dark now. And we got some ice coming through. The snow decided to take a little break for a little bit. We're up to 5 inches right now. But the snow decided to take a little break. The weather changed. It was supposed to get some rain on 10 o'clock tonight. So we have a little bit of a snow melt, but then after that, we're gonna get all snow for the rest of the evening, and then we will get some more snow. It'll be like 5 to 8 more inches of snow coming after that. So it's gonna be up there by the next day. It's gonna be like up to. I'm trying for the snow a little bit. It's gonna be like up to here by the time I wake up the next day. So anyways, that's what I want to show you. So yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Our town is so, like, this morning it started out all snow. Then later it's all ice. I bet you right now, about 1 mile north of me, it's a whiteout. I bet you $10 that if I went north 1 mile, it's a whiteout. And here, it's all ice. All ice. It's so weird. So weird. Like, our town is in the most weirdest spot in Pennsylvania, I think. But for you guys only get like one thing and just stick with it. And for us, it's just we're halfway between Erie and Pittsburgh. And that line is that 32-degree line is gonna come right. It's gonna switch over to wintry mix, and it's gonna be a mess. So anyways guys, it's supposed to switch over to snow by overnight, so which is a good thing. So I'll give you the final snow total tomorrow. I'm predicting it's going to be 9 inches. I'm predicting 9 inches tomorrow. Remember that, guys. 9 inches of snow. So anyways, guys, that will conclude today's video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below. And King Pat is checking out for the evening. Peace.